Molecular cooking is where the science lab and the kitchen collide. Dr. Juan Valverde currently works in Chagas, but studied for many years under the father of molecular gastronomy, Hervé Thies. Dubliner Carl Whelan's impressive CV includes many 2- and 3- Michelin star restaurants throughout France. Combining both their areas of expertise, they have prepared 13 unique dishes. Each one looks like something else, but tastes of a flavour that the contestants should recognise. A blue cheese meringue, a madeleine that tastes of rosemary, an apple jelly, 3 vials of individual flavours, smoked salmon, capers and dill, a green beetroot jelly, a grapefruit gazpacho, a caramel ice. It may look like a cappuccino, but it's in fact lentils on the bottom with a mushroom cream on the top. And finally, a fizzy tablet, when dissolved, tastes of lychee and rose. The person who guesses the least sits in the chair.
It's going to be really hard to not look at the items and try and guess what they are based on how they appear to us and kind of zone out from that and use your taste buds.
Hi, Fidelma. Let's start with the first one over here, okay? We've got one flavour here, okay? Just one.
Blue cheese.
Good. Okay. Okay, next, go for it. Take a guess.
Cardamom.
No.
Sorry.
Okay, next. Put it all in your mouth.
Apple.
Hey. Good. First bottle then, yeah?
Yep.
What's that flavour?
I was going to say nutmeg, but it's whatever.
Right, next bottle.
It's capers.
Oh, hey. Well done. What's that flavour?
Fennel.
Right, so on to the next one.
I know, I recognise the flavour, I just...
Okay, maybe it'll come to you. One flavour.
Grapefruit.
Bingo. Okay. Okay, so this is a flavour you know. Cool down to a very low temperature. I want you to taste it. What's your first thought?
Vanilla.
No. Okay, this time you've got 2 flavours together. One obviously on top, the other beneath.
At the top one, mushroom.
Okay. And the bottom, Fidelma?
No.
No?
No.
Nothing. Okay. There's 2 flavours.
Grape.
That's one guess. Do you have another guess?
Pear.
Okay. Thanks, Fidelma. Into the chair. Good job.
As a designer, molecular cooking really appeals to me. I'm a much more visual person, so I think this is going to be quite challenging. I've been to El Bulli, so I've tasted molecular cooking at its best.
Hi, Sinead.
Hi, Sinead.
Hi.
Okay, if we want to start with the first one, one flavour in that. On the tip of your tongue,
Yeah.
you have to start pushing it for an answer.
Oh my God. Can't think of it.
Just give me the word.
Parmesan.
Pardon? Sorry?
Parmesan.
So it's a cheese, yeah?
Yeah.
Then move on to the next one, please.
Ginger.
Okay, next. It's
Oh, I know what it is. Apple.
yes, very good. Okay, next.
Fish.
Any particular fish?
Cod.
Thank you.
Capers.
Yes.
Fennel.
No. We'll move on to the next. Thank you.
Beetroot.
That's correct.
Grapefruit.
Very good. Well done. Okay, Maestro.
I'll eat it now.
Yep, go ahead, Sinead, yeah.
Tastes coconutty.
No. Okay. So the next one, I'm looking for two flavours. Okay, so there's a top layer and a bottom layer. Any idea what the top layer is?
Mushrooms.
Very good.
Bottom layer.
Take your time, take your time.
Sorry, no sesame.
Sure you want to forfeit? Okay. The last one, again, two flavours.
Pop the pill in the glass.
It's lychee.
Yes?
You get something else?
Honey.
No. Okay, Sinead, thanks a lot. If you want to take a seat in the
Thanks.
viewing gallery, please.
Thanks, Sinead.
Thanks.